Immersion Week is a fun and exciting place for all of our new graduate nurses to come and experience different simulations and hands-on experience together.
We have an amazing facility here for learning. We have rooms that we are able to resituate to whatever the learning need is. And if you think about it, that really helps you make mental memories of when I do this in the real environment. I've kind of got some practice with that.
Let's have the doctor come look at this and see what we can do.
It is a safe environment, and we reiterate that over and over. They're not out on the floor with our real patients at this time, so they have the opportunity to learn how to talk to people, how to get resources that you need.
Our nurse residency program is PTAP accredited, which is a professional transition accreditation program. We're one of 180 programs across the nation that have that accreditation, so we're extremely proud of that.
Okay, so Headless Cart Ready, 1 liter LR, 250 micrograms chemo, 5 induction stat.
When you go in a room, you can't just look at your patient. You kind of have to look at everything that's going on, and I feel like it really prepared us for that. I've had a good time here. I have learned so much for things I haven't seen, interacted with all different kinds of people, and that's really cool.
It really is a judgment-free environment. Everyone's super kind and they give you good feedback.
I am not from here. I'm from Kentucky, which is about a 5-hour drive. But I chose MU Healthcare because I was told that this is a teaching hospital. I knew for myself, I wanted to be taught instead of being thrown in a scenario and trying to wing it.
I think the most amazing thing is just seeing those light bulbs go off when the new residents are getting a concept. It's a lot different to read or hear it in a lecture, and then you're like, oh, that's how it really works.
Experts come in and they speak their knowledge to the residents, and we really just want to put those subject matter experts in front of our residents so that they find a familiar face and that they know who to ask for help when they need it.
The nurse educators are really here for you. They told all of us that if we ever have any questions, if we ever need any of them, we can just email them at any time. That's really important to me as a new grad nurse, just having that person I can lean on, reach out to at any time about literally anything.
Financial wellness is also one of the big keys to making happiness for our new nurses. We have partnered with a local financial institution, and we work on personal budgeting.
You get to see things that you've never even read about in textbooks. And at MU Healthcare, I feel like there's people that will take the time, will go through with it. And sometimes you even feel like you're obligated to go do your own homework because you're like, this is actually really interesting.
I love welcoming the new nurses into our facility and showing them all of the learning and the development that there is here at MU Healthcare.